I've come into this patch of woods today looking for Rhododendron ponticum regeneration. This is Celtic Rainforest, temperate rainforest. You can see it's characterised by loads of mosses all over everything, lichens, liverworts, ferns. But one of the biggest problems is this, the rhododendron. They're really invasive and eventually they smother everything underneath them. They produce an allelopathic enzyme, that's to say it inhibits germination of other species and stuff. Yeah, they're just horrible. They've got pretty flowers, but they're horrible. They cause all sorts of problems, and part of my job is getting rid of them. So I've just found this one. At this stage, I can probably pull it out by the roots. When they get big, you're talking chainsaws and fires, mulching them, spraying them with Roundup, all sorts of stuff. When they're at this stage, they're manageable and you can just pull them out and let the roots dry out. So I'm going to do that. There, I've pulled it out by its roots. Yeah, you just snap them like this and then you can hook them over a branch and they'll just sit there and dry out. That's it. Sometimes they can be difficult to spot. They tend to sprout in sort of inaccessible places. Yeah. But I don't know if you can see this one here. So normally the river's up to here somewhere, but at the moment it's not rained for weeks, so I can get in there and pull that out. There's a couple of other little ones here. So it looked like two rhodies from a distance, but when you get close you can see this one's a rhody with waxy leaves, and that's a, I don't know, maybe a sheepspit scabious or something, soft leaves. So why climb down this gully onto that underwater step covered in algae, slippy? Because what we're after here are some rare mosses and stuff. They tend to grow in these ravines. It's constantly moist. This would normally be a bit of a waterfall. Yeah, so these are the special places in this woods. So that's why I've come down here to get this one.